Goodbye at rainy Bristol. No, thank you. Oh. That grip. So we have just got here in 36, the villa. The woman is about to show us around. So yeah, we're really excited. It looks so nice. It's very quiet. Bloody hell. Wow.
Oh, look at that. Yeah, it gets even better.
Not a bad little view in the morning, is it?
Wow. Oh my god. Okay, I'm going to end this clip here. I'm going to do a proper villa tour. Wow. Yeah, first one in the pool.
They dared me.
He lost an odds on, so he's in. He is in. Good morning, guys. It's about, well, it's gone 11:30. Me and Bert had the biggest lie-in because we really needed it. And yeah, my family have been up. They've been in the pool, everything. So we're just about to have some like brunch. So I thought I'd show you that because it looks really nice.
What is this? It?
Yeah, we do have.
I'm forcing. Day 2. Yeah. Whoops.
Got a nice little spread going on. Apparently this is really nice.
So you got paddle backwards. Paddle back. Oh, stop.
Right, we'll go backwards.
Reverse.
So it's about 10 to 4. We're all now off to the supermarket to like stock up for the week. I haven't been feeling too good today, so I've just been chilling. But yeah, we're off to the supermarket. You love me.
I'm right.
So this is the beach that we've stumbled across. So we're gonna have a wand and then maybe grab a drink or something. Good to go, good to go, good to go, good to go, good to go. Ooh. Yes, Nan, you paddle those feet. It's quite windy, I don't know if you can hear me. We're sat here having a drink, just sat chilling. Just had a Snickers ice cream, it was a delish.
Okay, so I'm getting this.
You are such a little liar. Look, like in my Spain vlog, basically, we've come to the same supermarket as we went to in Spain. So we're getting like loads of the same stuff that was really nice. So like the granola that I liked, that my nan's gonna like, and like they have the same cakes and everything. So humongous. I mean, wow. So when we were in the supermarket, we just got back by the way, I'm feeling a lot better. I'm feeling a lot better than I did earlier, which is good. But honestly, I cannot tell you how happy I am about this. Fanta lemon, 0 sugar. Okay, if you guys know me, then you will know that I don't really drink like sugary fizzy drinks. I usually get like the diet ones and no sugar. I don't like it on my teeth. I don't know. And I said to Bert, I wish they did a Fanta lemon 0 sugar, and we found it. So I got a glass then. Is it nice? So Bert's been out here on the Barbie. Look at these green burgers. We've got spinach and turkey burgers. So we're going to try them. He's literally been sweltering, haven't you? Don't know if you ever, yeah, look, you can see it's shiny with the sweat. So this is our spread that we've got tonight. Got some, all the barbecue bits. Big salad I just made. And then those candles keep the mosquitoes away, I think. It does look very cute out here. This is the salad. Dad's putting a, yay, thank you. Dad's putting a spoon in. We will do a proper villa tour tomorrow because we haven't done one yet. And it's so nice, so yeah. We had a good full first day, Dad.
Loved it. Absolutely loved it.
I'm feeling a lot better now, which is good. So hopefully it means that tomorrow will be more of a proper day for me. I just felt like rough. Whilst everyone was in the pool, I was just like,
I'm so excited for the smell. So good. Why's my hair like that?
so yeah, tomorrow I'll be in the pool. And good morning to another day in Mallorca. So in the night there was a massive thunderstorm, like a huge thunderstorm. And yeah, we're just up, we've been in the pool, and we still need to unpack, which we are gonna do. I think we're gonna go on a boat ride today, like a boat trip around everywhere, not quite sure, but yeah, I thought I'd just film some clips of the pool. It's so sunny, but like as you can see here on the floor, I don't know if you can see the like wet patches from where it was stormy, but now it's so sunny that it doesn't even matter. Like the sun is so hot today, which is really nice because it was a bit cloudy yesterday. Yes!
Ready? Right, you can place the wall.
Oh, steady! We are now, I think, are we in the place we were yesterday?
We're further down, we're in the port.
We're in the port, and we booked a boat to go on. But because we went to Corfu last year and hired a boat, and we were able to drive it, but in Mallorca you have to have someone with you, I think. So we've got someone.
It's called Captain.
Yeah, it does look like we've got someone on our boat with us. Nan has actually stayed at the villa because she wasn't too keen on coming. She gets a bit seasick, and also the boat can only hold 6. So we did ask her, but she didn't want to come. So she's just chilling out, and we are going on the boat. But it looks really nice, this area. We've got our snorkels. It was really sunny this morning. It's clouded over a tiny bit now, which is a shame, but it's fine. But the area we're in right now, the port area, is really nice. So we want to come back down here another time. I'll show you. It's like a nice restaurant.
That's what it's heavy.
Your shoes you better keep inside.
That's alright, take that what
You got it? Oh, thank you.
Put more down in there.
Oh, wow.
I didn't trust myself jumping in.
So I haven't got them in yet, I might chuck them out. So put oh, look. Nice dealing in there. Put away, Robbo, Gucci.
Just tell you about snorkel.
Yeah, I'll have the bottom of the snorkel.
So I'm inside the pub. Oh yeah, I didn't even address the fact that I've got these on. Just finished the boat ride. Look, everyone is sick. Mum didn't even want to go in, and she's absolutely sick. It was so choppy because of the storm last night.
What's happened?
So guys, it's 8:15. We're about to go and have some dinner. We got back from the boat at, I don't even know what time, 5 maybe? It was really, really good fun. I basically, like I said, there was a storm last night. And I don't think any of us like considered that factor when booking the boat trip. So it was very, very choppy, like especially on the way back. Oh, I think I filmed a tiny bit, but it was so hard to film. It was so choppy, like, oh, it's scary, but it was really funny, and yeah, it was really good. So we're gonna go and grab some dinner. It's been a bit of a shame about the weather, but it's fine, like, it doesn't really matter. It's supposed to be really, really good tomorrow, which is nice. I don't know, I just feel like the days have just gone. I don't know what I've even filmed, I don't know. Okay, we're gonna go and get some dins, and what? You let me wear them?
Put them on now.
Oh.
Okay.
I promise that once we've done the villa tour, we will do some routines, won't we, in the pool?
Oh yes, of course we will.
The pool routines will be back. Here you go, you can wear them.
GG.
Let's go get some dins.
Yeah, I'm starving.
Who's that cool dude grabbing my toe?
The arms are red.
Do your arms look red? Not in this light, but they are.
Is Nan gonna kill me?
Nan's gonna kill you for being burnt. So after about half an hour, we finally found a parking space, and we're heading for some dinner. I don't think I've showed the hire car, but because there's 7 of us, we literally have like a bus. So it took us so long to find a space, but we found one. Hello. Hello. Oh, you've got very blue eyes. Oh, you've got a lace in your...
What you're really lazy at doing?
Yeah. Pass.
What are you doing right now?
Yeah. So I've calmed down now. Just chilling. Rob likes it. I think you kind of get used to it after a while. But like, we made sure this one is hygienic and all the rest of it. Don't worry. We've read all the bits and bobs.
You really need a sauce.
This is the book that I'm trying to get into. It's called Sleepless in Manhattan. Can't remember when I got this. I've had this for a while though, so I'm trying to get into that. But probably go in the pool because it's so hot. Guess what we're doing this morning?
What?
Guess. For the vlog. Velator. So there's a lovely lady who brings us fresh orange juice and pastries and bits and bobs every morning, and this orange juice is like freshly squeezed and it is delish, as well as all the pastries and everything. I'm gonna get a glass of this now, I think.
How red that is.
Look how delicious that looks.
I was like my chest yesterday. Is that that?
Yeah, you caught the sun. It looks a little bit red.
No, it doesn't. It looks brown.
I'm so excited to eat that. So we're about to do the villa tour. Let's start at the top. Here we are number 36. We have this huge van that carries us all around. Shut the door. So as you come in, you've got this whole area. So we'll go down the steps.
You've got this whole area?
Yep.
Wow.
All the green. So we think there's another bedroom up here, but that's not ours to open.
Must be where they keep stuff.
So here.
Yeah, start this in here.
So we have a bathroom, and then we have a bedroom. Very nice.
That's Rob. Ah, they got an ensuite.
Oh, do they?
Yeah.
Oh. And then we go through this area, and in here we have our wardrobe. Very nice. And then if you go in here, this is our bathroom. It's quite big, to be honest. And then all the products that they've left us are Kiehl's, which is just insane. So we've got shampoo, conditioner and body wash, and then
There's a poo bum loo as well.
yeah, there's a bit to wash your bum. Then there's Kiehl's body lotion and soap. Crazy. Crazy stuff. So this is ours, what we've been using. And then this is our room. And as you can see, there's many espadrilles, so if you ever forget your shoes, there we go. It's really nicely decorated with all these bits. We didn't choose our room. My mum kindly gave us this room. I might take the tea on the tour with me. So this is ours, and then these doors actually open out onto
Yeah, but that's going to be a far.
There's also another door that opens out to
Well,
there.
let's show them where our door is then.
Okay.
That's our door there.
And that's our door there. Got some nice chairs. Oh, my feet are burning. And then as we go round, got a nice seating area, kindly displayed by Mum and Nan. And then we've got this area top here. Oh, my feet are too hot.
Do you want these?
So this is the view from this area, which is amazing. And then the pool is down there, but we'll go down there now. So this is the top area, the seating, and then let's go into
That
the
pool
kitchen.
looks warm now.
Go into the kitchen. So in here's the living area, kindly displayed by
Two models.
two models. Yep. Nice TV. But look at all these decorations, it's so cool. But we haven't really spent
Oh
much
god,
time
we
in
got the
here.
kitchen being modelled as well.
Oh, and then here's the kitchen being modelled by my padre. Very nice. So this is the kitchen. And then if you head out this way, we have a nice big table where we have breakfast. And then that area leads up to the steps where you come in. And then that room there is a room with like a washing machine, like a laundry room, but it's...
You're
not
forgetting
much-
something.
And the barbecue. And this is the barbecue. And then should we do the other bedrooms and we'll go outside? Or should we do that outside?
We might as well, because then meet downstairs. Come.
Okay. And as you come out of the kitchen, which leads round from there,
Just where we just were.
comes up to this another seating area, which is very
There's a
nice.
little bit of a view.
And then if you'd like to follow me down the steps, I've got my Nan's flip-flops on now, so I'm fine.
Okay, it's quite hard to keep this still down the steps.
Should we do the downstairs? Oh, we missed the cool staircase. We'll show you that as well. And this room is my Nan's room. In here. I think she does have a bathroom, but we won't go in it. So she also has many espadrilles, and then this is my mum and Hayden's room. They also have a bathroom too. And then, oh, Where does this lead up to?
That leads up to the outside. Let's go around by the pool then.
Ah, I see.
Should we not go that way?
Which one's the cool staircase? But this is the cool staircase, and it has these hats on the wall, which is snazzy. And also,
That's embarrassing, isn't it? Yeah.
and also these plates.
Okay, outside.
Yeah.
I'm not walking all the way down to the beach today. It's a long way down. When we go down, we'll take the GoPro down. You can do it on that.
And then this is the pool area. And then down there you can also walk down to the beach, but we'll show you that later because it's...
When we go canoeing, we can do it.
Yeah.
Take the GoPro. But it leads down to the sea down there.
But I'll take you guys over. So this is the pool area, and then it leads, it looks out, ooh, hello birds. It looks out onto here, which is lovely. And then if you go like down here, you can get into the sea from here as well. So that was pretty much the villa tour. And then this is what it looks like that. But let's put some sun cream on. We're amongst all the trees and everything, which is nice. So yeah. Come on, Stacey.
Stacey, look, just fly away, Stacey. Alright then, ladies, let's cut these knees up.
Yeah, we're in shot. Okay, welcome back to another aqua aerobic session. Hope you're ready to move and get your bodies going. Hope you enjoy. We're gonna start.
Just getting the shot of this movement. Yeah. It's a good partner like this, you know, creates a good connection.
We're gonna touch the elbows. Touch the elbows.
Oh,
Touch.
just let him do that. Oh, wrong side, that's good. Okay. Now let's follow the leader. Oh, jump.
Follow the leader, follow the leader. Trap, Marley Burnett.
We go one eye.
Yeah, interlock fingers and we twist. Right, that's enough.
Right, now we're going to do the, what's it called? What's it called?
Dirty dancing.
Yeah, that's it. You need to put your arms here. You need to put your hands here and on that lift. Okay, go. You need to jump.
I can jump.
Right, 3, 2, 1. Oh, I'm slipping, it's too wet. Right, one more time. Go.
Oh no.
Always wear hat protection, head protection.
Get your hats, girls. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? So you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want ya and I need ya. We'll see you later.
What? Tell us.
I'm right.
No thanks.
Can we just have the bill, please?
So we've just had a drink.
Thank you very much.
Sat here, getting papped.
Look that way then.
Chilling.
3, 2 Coke.
Do I look good?
You look.
Can I look at myself?
You look great.
Flip it. Oh, didn't it?
Go tell the lady what you want. They look quite nice actually.
Thank you.
Hayden, what are you having?
Yeah.
So can you have another one of those, please?
No,
Do you want?
try that.
Okay.
That's loads, thank you.
Ready?
And an M&M as well, please.
Oh no, put my hand in yours.
I'm okay. Whoa. So we have hired this to take out. Okay.
Where should we go, Dean? Let your dad and Hayden go in the front? And then we're going about these. We gotta get in.
Rob's got this one, this little go-kart. Right.
Right, you're on the steering as well. Watch these pedals.
Okay.
When they move.
Yes, come on guys.
Break.
Yeah, we're good, we're good. Yes.
What, have you straightened up?
Yes, yes.
No, we don't. You're a fool.
Oh! Clickbait, the bike ride that nearly killed us.
Ready?
Right, Rob?
Right.
Cycling with views. Views.
Turn this up.
Is it?
Yeah.
Alright, stop then.
Let's give it some bean there, hey, now we're not steering.
Well, hang on, because the steering wheel's not doing.
How you getting on, Hayde?
Good.
Where's Rob at? Have you still got him?
Think so.
He's right behind me.
So Hayes getting a henna on his hand. We'll show you the finished product. Yes. Yay!
Okay.
That looks
Well,
sick.
Do we want to eat here?
Rob also just went and got one. He got a Bart Simpson. Let me zoom.
That's a good one.
Yes.
Don't have a camera.
Come to a really nice restaurant. We've got live Bruno Mars on. Mine and Bert's have just come. We're having chicken pizzas, my fave.
Spat in mine up, isn't he? The other kid, his top lip's massive.
Everyone's got their food. Yeah.
No, that was the
Good morning. It's Thursday morning. Yeah. So those are the steps to our villa that we've just come down. And this all was here with the villa. So we've got a canoe and this. And they found a little cove around the corner that we're going to try and get to. But it's so pretty now, like it's not cloudy anymore. And beautiful.
On the paddleboard. I think you got it wrong.
We eventually made it to the cove, which is not in the way that we maybe hoped to. The cove is around there. So pretty and it's warm and it's just lovely. It looks so nice now. Look how peaceful. So nice coming when it's better weather. The weather makes such a difference. So calm. I know my filming isn't very calm. Wow. Oh, yes please.
That's fine, please.
Gracias. Yeah.
just plain greedy having chicken on.
Yeah, really greedy. Okay, so we are home. Our meal was really good, like the food was really nice. So anyway, we couldn't find the car. Like when we were walking back to find the car, we couldn't find it. And we were walking around for I don't know how long trying to find the car. And then anyway, so we were like wandering around. And then my dad and Bert were just like, oh, we'll just go and look for the car. You wait here. So we waited here. We suddenly heard this like pooh like that. And I could sense.
Like, I'm not getting like a gunshot or
like,
a cannon.
They were so loud and there were loads of people where we were at. We were like, oh, it's very busy. I could sense that it's fireworks. And for you guys that might not know me very well, or I've mentioned it a couple of times, I do not like fireworks. I think they're really pretty, but just since I was little, I've had a thing about them. I'm really scared of them. Not scared of them, I can't really describe it. And if they were silent, they'd be perfect. I will insert the clip of the fireworks because Bert actually filmed it on his phone.
Thanks everyone.
Which was very thoughtful, so I'm gonna edit,
You might have to put like music over it because I don't talk, I just film.
No, that's fine. I'm gonna insert that here.
Wait a car.
While the fireworks are going on.
And then, yeah, so I didn't explain, so earlier there's like a little cove that's like round the corner from I think it's like a little private area, I don't know if it is or not, but the area that connects to our villa, the like beachy area. My dad and Bert were desperate for us to all go to this cove. Anyway, my nan stayed here. She's like, no, I'm not risking it. We're gonna take the canoe that's here and is it the wakeboard?
Yeah, wakeboard, yeah.
And go over. So anyway, they attached the wakeboard to the back of the canoe. So me and Robbie were sat on the wakeboard, and then it was my dad, Hayden, my mum, then Bert on the canoe, right? My mum is not a massive fan of swimming and water. She actually has been really good this holiday. Like for the first time ever, she's literally been in the pool every day, and that never happened. So anyway, out in this canoe, and suddenly it just goes like that and capsizes over. I was thinking, shit, like my mum hates it. Like my mum doesn't go underwater, and she was under the water. So anyway, I was trying to grab them out. It was all fine, but then yeah, so that was...
You get stuck under the canoe, can't you?
Yeah, that's what I was worried about, people getting stuck under the canoe. But it was fine, and then in the end, we swam around it. It was a good way to get us all in the water. But yeah, we've had a really good day today. Really good. And then I think tomorrow we are heading off to a water park. So I'm really excited about that. I love water parks.
I've got to say, you look stunning today.
Thanks.
This evening, not today.
I forgot to show you, so I got this Tigger phone case, which I think is adorable. It smells a bit funny, but I think that's adorable. We bought Nan a fridge magnet even though she's with us, but it's a tradition. And then I got this anklet because I thought that would be really cute on my little ankle. So yeah, night guys. It's 11:30, we are off to the water park. I think I'm gonna swap over to the GoPro now. I'm so excited, I love water parks. It was supposed to be a storm, who knows?
Terrified. Thank you.
And I remember way back when, and all the time we spent, yeah, it's kinda hard to forget you. Cause when we chill for days on end, cuddling in December, just know I wasn't pretending.
So yeah, it's our last full day, which is sad. It's already about 4:30. I haven't vlogged anything today. We've just drove into Palma, which is over an hour from where we're staying. We're literally staying the other side of the island. Wow. Look at that chocolate wall. Yes. How pretty it is here. We just made some purchases. Hold up the bag in Bershka. But it's just so pretty. We're taking a selfie. So you probably can't hear me, but we are now in the Hard Rock Cafe. We wandered around, we did some shopping in Palma. Now we're in the Hard Rock. I've just got a Diet Coke because I'm boring. Bert's got a cocktail, and then the boys have just got little mocktails in these, they're like, you can take the glasses home, they're like souvenirs. So food's here. I've got fajitas. Hayden's got fajitas. They've got burgers. So this dress Shakira's dress. It says, this red floor-length gown with red satin bow was designed by Carolina. Shakira wore this dress during the 49th annual Grammy Awards on the February the 12th, 2007, and we just looked it up and she actually did wear this. So that's really cool that's in here. So we are home, it's about 11:30, but we did some shopping. I don't think I filmed much, but we did some shopping, so we thought we'd give you a little haul. We went into a shop called Alliop, which is a bit like Tiger. It was really similar to Tiger. That looks nice. That looks really nice. And I got these wash bags. I just think these bags come in.
Is that what I bought there?
These.
Is that my new hat? Sup, dudes?
You didn't buy.
Sup, dudes?
I never think you can have too many wash bags. So there's this one, which is a clear one, and then this leopard print one. You guys now have a thing.
What are these two?
He's so excited because he's actually bought stuff for once. And this leopard print one, and then this smaller one which says Pura Vida, which means pure life. Not sure. And then, funny story. Not really very funny, but
Really not an amusing story.
in Spain I saw these sunnies, but I was like, nah, I've just bought 2 new pairs for Spain. I don't need any more. And then my brown cat eye sunnies have a big scratch on them, so I bought these, which I was eyeing up in Spain. And then I got 2 things from Bershka, and Bert got 4 things. Yeah.
They're cute.
And I always buy sunnies with brown lenses because it makes everything look really nice. So he got this white.
It's like towel.
Yeah, we'll do a zoom in, and the necklace come down so we can do a close up. So here's the necklace. I think I might be borrowing that as well.
Sorry?
Definitely borrowing that. We went into Bershka, they had some really nice stuff.
It definitely is oversized.
I was about to say effed over, but that's a bit rude. I fully effed over the step into Bershka and really hurt my foot.
What do you think?
You see? Oh, I like that.
I like it's oversized.
It's a bit different. You don't have to jump around like that.
I don't!
Right, share the vlog. No. Right, so sorry I'm whispering because the door's open. I actually got a pair of jeans that fit. But I got these mum jeans. They were €19.99. That's about £18, I reckon. They are in a dark blue, and I didn't really want them in a dark blue. I did pick them up in a lighter blue, but they didn't have the right size. But I thought for like the autumn and winter, this dark blue might be nicer because the light blue is quite like summery, isn't it? But I'm definitely going to look in Bershka for their jeans. But yeah, I'm sorry I'm not really doing them any justice, but I'm sure you guys all know what mum jeans look like. You look snazmajay. Come and show my vlog the whole outfit, or do you want me to put it on you? And then I also got this shirt. And it's a shirt, it's got a pocket. Is that a pocket? Yeah. Has a little pocket in there. It's short sleeved. Got the like tortoisey buttons. I'm sure you see this on the gram sometime soon. I got the jeans in a size 8, I think, and then I got this in a small, and this was €15.99. But I don't think have I been to the Bershka in London? Everyone always says it's really good. Hope you've enjoyed this Mallorca.
We're not done yet?
Yeah, but it might be nice to just round it off now. Right, thank you so much for watching.
Thanks, dude.
See you tomorrow for the last few hours of Mallorca.
Bye, dudes.
Bye, dudes.
Come on!
Oh, that was a violent thread.
Goodbye, beautiful villa. Goodbye, you beauty. My dad almost missed the flight, but we're here. We're getting on.
Very hot though.
We made it.